Well, Mom won't let the calf nurse. She's doing a good job. She's licking the calf. She's protecting the calf. She's doing everything right. But she's just not letting the calf nurse. And so we're just going to bring her in the chute. And it's been enough time that we just need to get her in the chute and help the calf latch. Come on, Dipsticky. Stupid. And yep, that's what we're doing. We did lose one calf. Karen thought maybe it was laid on, but when we got out here, we looked at it a little more. A little more playing detective, and it might have just been stillborn or froze. Somehow we just never even saw it. For as much time as we spent out here, that's rather frustrating. But we saved one cow's life and one calf's life, but we lost one calf. Here you can see Karen next to the calf. He did good in the chute. He got a few licks in and nursed on a couple quarters. He's a big boy. It's kind of big dumb calf syndrome, but yeah, he's a big boy. We put the blanket on him. And Mom accepted it. She come out of the chute, and I don't know if it's right or wrong, but I had some hay in my hand, in my glove, and I pet the calf. I rubbed the hay on the coat and rubbed it on her face, and then when she licked the hay in my hand, I rubbed her nostrils and her mouth and got a lot of her saliva on my glove, and then rubbed the calf warming blanket. And she come out of the chute, turned right around and started licking them. So that's a good deal. And yep. So here at the end of the day, right before dark, Karen's just gonna keep spending the day out here with him, to see if he does latch on again, and if not, well, then we'll run him in the chute and do it again. Come on, Mom, be nice. Let him nurse. Yeah. Fill that tummy up, little guy. Feast away. Feast away. You know, you gotta have all these other mother hens in the group. Oh, that's back to you now. He got right back on. That's awesome. He had a little drink this morning, late this morning. And look at him go now. Heck yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. Get her done. Get her done. Fill that tummy up for the night. Mom's doing a good job of cleaning him, protecting him, paying attention where he's at. But she just will not let him nurse. And I don't know if she's too uncomfortable. So we nursed the other side earlier, so we're doing this side now. And get it. Find any one of them. Whoop. Cow, you are so annoying. You are so annoying. So we got a new little one here, and its sibling is in the dark there. Well, we got one there with Mom. Its twin is right here. 11. You are so annoying. And we got 23 or 22 mother hens here that want to just check everything out, like what's happening. There is no going off to be alone. That calf did nurse already once. That's my breath in the air. Quit licking me. And so we saw him nurse once already. We got this guy wrapped up. There's a lot of hay underneath that blanket, and then we're just trying to keep him. The shivering mostly stopped, and so he's comfy. And we're just letting Mom and that calf figure it out, and then in a few minutes, oh my God, Gal! In a few minutes, I'm tempted to take and just set them into that corner between the white bale and the dry bale, because that's where them two have been hanging out. So in a few minutes here, I think I'll just carry him over there, and he'll have to start the shivering all over again. But stop licking me, jeez. The one from yesterday is, she's in the sweep tub. I put a bunch of hay and put the calf in there to keep other cows from annoying it. 11. You're annoying. Yes, you. But yeah. Well, everybody's been up. The firstborn is a lot stronger, and he's been doing really good at nursing and absolutely just traveling. The second one, I helped guide it in, and it got a couple licks. And it's starting to get stronger by the minute. The big white face there, that's her last calf from last year. Big heifer right there. And her other big heifer was the number 11 that was just not leaving me alone. So they're both trying to nurse, and I don't want to interrupt stuff too much, but that other one, he's got a stiff neck, whereas his chin is up, and his neck and head is a little wonky yet. And so I just kind of guided his head. And Mom's a good mom. Not the friendliest cow on the pasture, but she's a good mom, and she had patience and let me guide that calf on for a couple, so he could get a couple swallows. Yeah. I put the blanket on the one because he just will not lay down. If you pick it up, fold its feet under it, set it down, it just pops right back up. But he's had a couple good licks of milk already on his own, so he's doing good. So I lay that blanket on there so Mom can always take it off, you know what I mean? And then the other one, he's having a hard time getting going. That's the one with the stiff neck, the second calf. And so he's having a hard time, but Mom let me he got a couple licks in, and so I just buried him in hay just to stop the shiver. I don't want to get him warm, I just want to stop the shiver, and it's working. And so, yeah, it's 0 degrees, no wind. That sun's going to come up in a little bit, and that'll warm these. It's supposed to get like 15, almost 20 degrees, but with that sun, it's so warm. It's going to feel like a miracle on these calves this morning. And a big dummy, there's a big bull calf over there. If he's under 100 pounds, I am the weakest person you've ever met. That calf is freaking heavy, but typical big, dumb, slow calf. And Mom is having a hard time letting him nurse, so we use the chute.